Phishing emails are false emails, also known as scams. Now, these are made to look genuine in an attempt to take your personal details. That's anything from bank account details to passwords. Phishing emails are unfortunately a part of modern life. Regular phishing targets include not just the university, online payment companies such as PayPal, banks, the UK Tax Office and HM Customs are frequently the subject of phishing emails. Awareness is the key, and the following advice should prove useful. The university will never ask you for your password. So ask yourself, were you expecting the email? Does it sound too good to be true? Had you applied for a grant or entered a prize draw? If the answer is no, then be suspicious of the content. Many of the emails, whilst looking like they come from Cardiff University, will have actually originated from outside and will have non-Cardiff addresses. If possible, look for the sender address not matching where it says it's from. If suspicious, do not reply to the email or follow any links within the email, as the links are likely to be false. Instead, visit the website or contact the company directly. If it's a genuine company, then they'll be able to confirm the details for you. For suspicious university emails, if in doubt, contact the IT service desk. Their email is it-servicedesk@cardiff.ac.uk. Look for poor grammar or spelling. Poor spelling or grammar is often a warning sign that the email is not genuine. If you are concerned that you have fallen for a phishing scam and you have entered your bank account details, contact your bank immediately to warn them of the threat. Make sure you install up-to-date antivirus software. Did you know that it's free from the university? All you've got to do is log onto the internet and type in Sophos. Now, there's no harm in being especially cautious when you're looking through your emails. If you've received an email from an unknown sender, check it out. Make sure you know who it's from.